Hey everyone, this is our instructional video for our lesson on Tuesday, March 24th. Just a reminder, there will be no lessons for Wednesday, so please enjoy the day. So we're going to continue our exploration of the Cold War, or the origins of the Cold War in this video. Uh, Also, another announcement that because of the district's announcement that there will be no school on Wednesday, Thursday, Schoology will be open for redos for mini units 9, 10, and 11 in that 8 a.m. to 12 noon time slot. All right, so what do you need to do with this assignment today? So the top here looks as the same as yesterday. The graphic and definition was included because it's very helpful to keep in mind what is the Cold War, who's on which sides, and their names. And then down here, we see key terms are highlighted and underlined as far as policies and different types of economic systems and political systems. All right, so on to today's activity. So yesterday looked at origins during World War II. Today we're going to be looking at origins immediately after World War II is over. And this first excerpt here, you're going to watch a short little video on Winston Churchill's Iron Curtain speech. And then there's an excerpt of that text here to help you answer these 4 questions. Now, a couple of things that help you with these questions. In one, it says, what action did Stalin take to heighten the tensions? So tensions are already there. What increased those tensions between the United States and the USSR, which is also known as the Soviet Union? Question 2, how did the relationship between the United States and the Soviet change between 1945 and 1947? So I gotta say what it was, and then what is different by 47. According to the video, so for question 3, you do need to make sure you've watched the video. And then for question 4, it's based on the excerpt. You're going to be making use of this part in this italicized section. All right, on to the next part. We're watching a video on a famous event known as the Berlin Blockade. And to help you out with this map here, all of this was Germany. It's just that this green section is going to be occupied by British forces after World War II. This blue section, French forces, tan section, American forces, and the red section is the Soviet forces. Now these 3 zones, the British, French, and American, would quickly combine. But what's hard to tell from this map here is that this little area here, both the red and the black, is the city of Berlin, the capital of Germany. And the black section is actually controlled by British, French, and American forces, even though it's within the larger Soviet section. And this little red section of Berlin is controlled by the Soviets. All right. Questions 5, 6, and 7. You'll need to make sure you've watched the video to help you answer these questions. And then lastly, in 1949, NATO is established, and we have one question here, which is on what is NATO. As always, if you have any questions, please email. Other than that, enjoy your day off on Wednesday.